Is your Dell laptop completely unresponsive? This section clarifies the primary reasons why it might not turn on. The first major cause is power supply chain issues, including problems with the AC adapter or battery. Second, internal component failure, such as a faulty motherboard, can prevent power from reaching the system. Third, software problems like BIOS corruption can make the laptop appear dead. To get started with troubleshooting, we'll focus on common initial steps. The first step is to verify your AC adapter is functioning correctly. Look for the LED indicator on the adapter. If it's off, the adapter may be faulty. If the LED is off, test the adapter with a multimeter to confirm it's outputting the correct voltage, typically 19.5 volts. Also, inspect the power jack on your laptop for damage or loose connections. A faulty adapter is the most frequent cause, accounting for roughly 40% of no power cases. If the AC adapter seems fine, the battery might be the problem. Use Dell's built-in EPSA diagnostics, accessed by pressing F12 during boot, to test the battery's health. Deeply discharged or imbalanced battery cells can prevent the laptop from powering on. If the battery is removable, try removing it and running the laptop directly from the AC adapter. A hard reset can often resolve power-related issues by clearing residual power and resetting the system's power management unit. First, disconnect all peripherals, such as USB devices, mice, or external drives from your laptop. Next, unplug the AC adapter from both the laptop and the wall outlet. If your laptop has a removable battery, carefully remove it by following the manufacturer's instructions. Press and hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds. This discharges any residual power and clears static electricity from the system. The process helps clear any static electricity that might be interfering with the power management. Finally, reconnect the AC adapter and battery if applicable, then try turning on your laptop. If your Dell laptop still doesn't turn on after this hard reset, you may need to explore other potential causes. If the hard reset doesn't resolve the issue, try accessing and resetting the BIOS. Power on the laptop and repeatedly press F2 to enter the BIOS setup. Once in BIOS, look for an option to reset the settings to their default values. This can often fix configuration issues preventing startup. If resetting doesn't work, you may need to update the BIOS firmware. However, this requires a working power source and should be done carefully to avoid permanently damaging the laptop. If previous troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the issue, check for internal component failures. Inspect the motherboard for visible damage like burn marks or liquid residue, which can prevent power flow. Liquid damage appears as crusty residue and can cause short circuits in the motherboard. A depleted CMOS battery can cause startup failures. Replace it to reset BIOS settings. Check RAM, capacitors, and other components for faults. Use Dell Service Tag for model-specific diagrams. These advanced repairs often require professional expertise to avoid further damage or voiding warranty. Software issues like failed updates or driver problems can prevent your Dell laptop from starting. Try booting into safe mode to access a basic version of Windows and undo recent changes. Dell Support Assist is a built-in diagnostic tool that can scan for and identify software problems affecting startup. If you've exhausted all the troubleshooting steps we've covered and your Dell laptop still refuses to turn on, it's time to seek professional help. Complex issues like motherboard shorts or failed capacitors require specialized tools and expertise that only certified technicians can provide. When choosing replacement parts, avoid unofficial or third-party components. Counterfeit chargers and batteries can create compatibility issues, potentially causing further damage to your laptop's power system. Dell's support team strongly recommends using only official parts to maintain warranty coverage and system integrity. Looking ahead, Dell is integrating artificial intelligence into their diagnostic tools. By 2027, AI-driven diagnostics could increase repair success rates to 90%, enabling predictive maintenance that identifies potential power failures before they occur. Dell is moving toward modular designs in their laptops, where components like batteries and chargers can be easily swapped. This approach will make repairs faster, reduce costs, and contribute to more sustainable electronics by minimizing e-waste. To prevent power failures, practice regular maintenance. Calibrate your battery periodically and avoid overcharging, which can prevent up to 60% of issues, according to Dell's experts. Always use official tools for these maintenance tasks.